In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Tripadvisor account for business. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so creating a Tripadvisor business account is free, and it also lets you manage your business listings, respond to reviews, upload photos, and keep your business information up to date. So in order to do this, we need to come on over to tripadvisor.com/owners. Now we can go ahead and find your business. So where it says business name, you can go ahead and put in your business name, city or location, then click search. If your business appears, click claim your business. If it doesn't appear, choose the option to add a new business listing. So I'm just going to go ahead and do a search here. So as you can see here, if my business doesn't appear, we want to go ahead and click on add a missing place. Then from here, we want to go ahead and put in the location details. So put in your located down below, but before that, go ahead and put in your name. So I'm just going to go ahead and put in my YouTube channel name just for this demonstration. Now, what category best describes this place? So go ahead and choose one. I'm just going to say things to do. What kind of place is this? We can filter by more. We got 0 to 5 categories selected, so you can add more categories here. Address, go ahead and put in your address. I'm just going to go ahead and put in a random address in my city. Now keep scrolling down. It's going to say, are you an owner, employee, or official representative of this place? If you are, go ahead and click on yes. Click on to email me with new reviews of this place. I suggest doing that because it's ways to improve its presence on Tripadvisor and more. So for me, you want to go ahead and click on save and continue. If you haven't got an account here, you can see here my Google account is trying to sign me into Tripadvisor. So I'm going to go ahead and click on continue. If it doesn't, you can go ahead and click on sign in and just sign up with your email or one of your social medias and your Google account. Now for me, I want to click on save and continue. Now on the next page, you want to put in your website if you've got one, your official phone, and your official email as well. And then you want to put in hours, so select the day to adjust operating hours. So if you're open Monday to Friday, go ahead and choose Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, and put in your time. So you say I'm going to be open from 6 a.m. to 5 p.m. or 6 p.m. and then click save. If you open 24 hours, go ahead and select that. I might even do that. Then if this place hasn't opened yet, select the opening date. So you can go ahead and enter a date. I'm just going to go ahead and go like that. Now it's going to say here, thanks for adding a place. Once it's live, we'll email you with instructions to claim your listing. Then from there, basically wait until you get that email confirmation from Tripadvisor to claim your listing. Now, it just depends on your business. So verification may be completed through email, phone, business documentation, and also other verification methods provided by Tripadvisor. Now, once you've done that, once your business is verified, you're going to gain access to the management center where you can edit your business details, upload photos, respond to those custom reviews. You can even view visitor and review analytics, update your contact info, and explore optional paid marketing features.